ng tambay natin dito, nakakatakot na, kinakabahan ako. Unang dahilan ba ito kinakabahan? Lagi ako pinapainom ng kape.
Yeah.
Karatis again. I love Ducati Philippines. Shout out again to Sir Tony Alberto Families. Napaka-hospitable nila dito. No? So, ato tayo dito. Kaya nga kayo, no? Pastor Leo. Kape-kape na lang lagi. By the way, I'm standing beside Ducati Monster SP.
Ito.
Tinatanong mo ako what's the difference. Wala naman siyang pinagkaiba dun sa Monster natin. All those specs din. Ito, naka-Turbogoni exhaust siya. So if you're going to purchase in the market, nasa 200,000
Oh shit.
200 to 180,000.
5 pa lang sir, 5.
The price of this is again, I think, 1.2. Then you have a adjustable rear suspension by Ollins. So, yun na yung difference.
Tanahana.
Monster natin.
Kulay black lang ng steering wheel nito.
Itong steering damper niya rin. Kasi yung Monster natin walang steering damper. So if I only knew na may ganitong black, wow. That's okay. Kahit sa sayang kailangan kong magpapit sa Monster. Finally, Leo, our dream bike. It's supposed to be okay itong special edition ng Street Fighter Lamborghini. This is a 4 million bike. Pang display lang talaga to. By the way, again, it's a great honor that I met the owner of Ducati Philippines, Sir Toti Alberto. He's very welcoming, napaka-accommodating niya. You will feel yung part of Ducati, no? They don't even ask where you came from or whatever your status or ano. So, for you guys, if you're looking for good brand, Italian brand, just visit Ducati Manila here in Katipunan. No, along C5 road lang to. So, what can I say? Ducati is Ducati. So, check it out and look for Ma'am Tin. Shout out. Siya ang agent ko dito. Again, lahat ng tao dito, very accommodating sila. So, that's one of the reason. That's one of the factor kaya ako nag-purchase ng Ducati. Because of yung service nila. The salespersons are very accommodating. And then the after sales then, they guarantee you, they check your bike. So you have full confidence. You have 100% confidence na gamitin mo yung sasakyan mo, yung motor mo na wala kang wala kang dapat isipin. So again, shout out to Ducati Philippines, Sir Toti Alberto, maraming salamat po. Ma'am Tin for having me here at napagastos ako. Pero ito yung tinatawag natin magandang problema. Magandang gastos. So, get this to the X. Yun, no? Ito yung reason nga eh. Yan.
Hindi naman pinagkakalayo ng night shift.
Same lang, 790. 800,000 again. 800. Ito mama na to. Ay, what? Malaki na to. Ilang cc to? 800. Mataas, miskin. Mataas. Can't do. Can't do. Yung isa na lang. Yung 2 million lang. So Dex, Leo, finally, nahawakan natin, na-applause natin itong one of a kind masterpiece ng Ducati. Ducati Lamborghini Edition. It's cost 4 million in the market, I guess. So, well, again, it's another dream bike, Street Fighter. What can I say? Gusto lang magpasalamat ulit kay Sir Totti Alberto for having us here. At nakausap natin siya. We have a good conversation with him about Ducati plans in the future. So I'm very happy and very excited about their plans.
Prophetessa Productions. Prophetessa Productions.
Kitang-kita sa aking mukha, no, Leo? Ang excitement, no? Finally, our dream bike is nakuha na natin. Andito tayo ngayon sa kahabaan ng Marcos Highway, which is dito tong lugar na to, hindi na to unfamiliar place sa akin. Dito ako lumaki. Andito tayo sa side ng Marikina na. That side is Cainta, Pasig. No? Dito ako nag-nursery, kinder, prep, then grade school, then college. Ito, that's my favorite mall, the mall dyan, Santa Lucia. So, andito ako sa aking very familiar place. Kumbaga, this is my territory. I grew up here. Kaya, mas madalas narinig nyo ako Tagalog. Pero, same sa pagiging familiar ko nitong lugar. There's also a bike that very familiar sa akin na gustong-gusto ko talaga ever since 2006. It's a Ducati Monster at the back of our Ford Ranger Raptor. So, and I'm happy that the Monster ngayon, 2023, is mas lagi siyang applicable and favorable sa akin kasi nga vertically challenged tayo. I'm just only 5'4". And kung that time I have that Monster, intimidating sa akin. So, very timely na we can afford to buy a Monster now. And then, actually, perfect for me. It's a perfect bike for me. I'm not saying I don't like my Z9. That's my first 900cc bike. But, eto kasi, Hulma sa akin, magaan. Iba na kasi ang frame nito ngayon. Saka, of course, aesthetics niya. Matte black. I'm a black color fan. Tapos, mas light siya. But the power is there, no? So, perfect tong Ducati Monster 2023 for me. So, I guess, may enjoy ko to. And then, I'm contented. I'm saying now, I'm contented. Sabihin nyo sa akin, yeah, maraming mga big bikes na dumadaan dito sa Marcos Highway. Sir, why not Multistrada or why not GS? Again, I have money to purchase those bikes, but the purpose of riding a motorcycle, you must be happy eh. Hindi ka dapat nag-worry na baka matumba ka, mabigat. May natutumba pa naman ganun eh. So, but roads, ang condition ng roads natin dito, very challenging. So, doon ka sa comfortable na bike, meron ka. Kung mag-adventure bike nga ako, sabi ko sa inyo, there's one in BMW, the F900, the XR 900, the triple black, the BMW adventure bike yun. Okay na ako nun. The GS kasi, I respect all the GS rider and the Multistrada rider. Kung kasing height ko sila, 6-footer, why not? I'm happy and contented with my bikes. That's what we have. Mapasin nyo, all naked bikes meron tayo. We're fan of the naked bike. So, I think that's more than enough for me. Kung mag-adventure bike ako, Harley Davidson. Baka malapit na tayo dun sa mga cruiser type. Rubber type na bike. No? For the BMW, again, I'm eyeing for the XR 900 Adventure Triple Black. Yun na lang. Siguro kung yayain ko na kayo niyo we purchased KTM 390 Adventure. Mga ganun na lang. Then you have your Bristol naman the Fortress 400 that suitable sa'yo. No? So far, I'm good. I'm good with the bike. I'm happy. So, nagbunga ang lahat ng aking paghihirap. Isa lang akong palaboy noon dito sa Marcos Highway. Sa taas ng overpass na yan. Hindi akalain ng mga kaibigan ko na I don't know kung magiging successful tayo sa buhay. Kasi ibang-iba tayo ng panahon. Ibang-iba tayo ng panahon. Pero at least may nagbago. So again, let's do the X. RFID. Although nakalimutan, from Bicol kasi ako, nakalimutan ko yung isang belt bag, ano yung RFID ko ng from Express.
Yes po.
Paano ako ngayon, ma'am? Wala akong card eh.
Sige sir, pwede po kayo mag-back-in na lang muna.
Back din, wala.
Yes sir.
Thank you.
Yung back-in, yun po.
Salamat. Thank you, sir. Salamat po.
Welcome po. Welcome po.
Galing sa Paroca. Wala, naiwan ko yung RFID ko sa Google eh. Pagpasok ko na ano ganun din gawin ko, sa right lang ako. Tapos sa kapal. Ay, di na hawak. Okay.
Call me Matt.